Hi friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, pharmaceutical science and nutraceuticals. If you are first time visiting our channel, consider subscribing our channel for regular updates on pharma. Dosage form. Dosage forms are the means by which drug molecules, that is APA, active pharmaceutical ingredient or drug substance, are delivered to the site of action within the body. Dosage forms are designed to facilitate the administration of drug substance. They are also called as drug delivery systems. Dosage form can be classified based on the drug release. The dosage form can be classified as immediate release dosage form, that is IR dosage form, modified release or modified or time release dosage form, MR dosage form. Modified or time release dosage form is further classified into extended release ER dosage form, delayed release dosage form. Extended release dosage form ER dosage form is further classified as controlled release dosage form and sustained release dosage form. Delayed release dosage form DR dosage form can be classified as targeted dosage form. Immediate release dosage form IR dosage form. Immediate release dosage form are those which disintegrate rapidly and get dissolved to release the medicaments. Most conventional immediate release oral dosage forms such as tablets, capsules are formulated to release the active drug immediately after oral administration. In the formulation of conventional drug product, no deliberate effort is made to modify the drug release rate. Modified release dosage form MR. MR dosage form is a mechanism that, in contrast to immediate release dosage form, delivers the drug with a delay after its administration, that is delayed release dosage form, or for a prolonged period of time. Extended release ER, XR or XL dosage form to a specific target in the body, that is targeted dosage form, targeted release dosage form. Extended release dosage form means the pill is formulated so that the drug is released slowly over time. This has the advantage of taking pills less often. It also means that there may be fewer side effects as levels of the drug in the body are consistent in extended release formulation. What is the difference between controlled release and sustained release dosage form? Sustained release dosage form follow first order kinetics. Controlled release follow zero order kinetics. In sustained release form, the dosage is sustained for a prolonged period of time and drug release is not definite per unit time. But in controlled dosage form, drug release is very definite per unit time. Thanks for your time. Consider subscribing our channel, like, share, comment, pharmaceutical concept.